to my kitchen. Today, y'all, it is raining, dreary, and I'm going to make a little pasta dish, and that's just going to hit our soul today. Yesterday, I don't know about y'all, but here in South Carolina, yesterday it was 85 degrees. I was planting flowers and doing all the things, and today, y'all, I'm just like a little dog, just shivering. It's cold today. It is 53 today, and it's raining and just drizzling right now, and just kind of a dreary day, but we about to make it a good day because we're gonna have some pasta. And we do love us a good pasta dish. Now this pasta dish, this is actually my son Daniel's recipe, and it is so good. And y'all know how I like easy and delicious, and you know you can't go wrong with some pasta. So I'm going to show you how we throw this together, y'all, how we do it, and we're going to get this in the oven cooking so we can have us a good dinner. All right, y'all, I'm starting with the big old casserole dish, and I do have my oven set at 400 degrees, so she's ready to go. I've got me some little tomatoes, some little cherry tomatoes washed clean. I'm just gonna put them right into this casserole dish. I just went ahead and bought the bigger container, but you can do 2 of the smaller ones, or you can half this recipe. Hey, you listen, you just do it how you want to do it. So I'm going to drizzle. I'm going to start with throwing the cap in. I'm going to just drizzle this with a little olive oil. And then we'll spread it around. Just make sure all of it gets some love on it. We want them all to be oiled up. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning this just a little bit before I put my cheese in there. I'm gonna sprinkle some oregano in here. You can use whatever seasoning you want. Now my son told me he uses Mrs. Dash tomato, basil, garlic. Good luck if you can find it, because I cannot. I've went to several stores and it was a no for me, so I couldn't find it. So we're just going to use what we got.
She dashed away.
Miss Dash, yes, she dashed right up on out that store because I ain't found it. So I've got some garlic powder. I've got some Italian seasoning, and I would say about a tablespoon or whatever, but I'm just sprinkling a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now I did have some seasoning that has some garlic and tomato and basil, so I'm going to give that just a little sprinkle. If y'all find the Mrs. Dash, then good on you. Good on you. Let's see what else. I just got all kind of stuff just in case I had it here. We could put a little salt on it. And I'm just going to stir that just one more time. Of course, you know we got to have some black pepper, right?
It's a must.
It's a must. It's a must. Now, I want to make sure all these, I think I'm going to put just a drizzle more of oil. Some of these are not as happy as I'd like to see them. All right, just give that a little stir around, get all that stuff mixed in. Now, you may have seen this, something similar to this on social media, the TikTok and everything else, but this one is a little different. So I'm not using feta cheese. We are using cream cheese, and I have opened this up because Lord knows this video would probably be about 10 minutes longer because it is a struggle, y'all, to get into these things. Look, it's going to be an extra 10 minutes just here trying to get it out, and I've already opened it. All right, got one there. Wipe my hand down, and I've got my second one here. Now we're going to go back in and season this again as well. There we go. I like how I just plopped it in there, Russell. Yeah. Just plop.
Oh yeah.
Plop. It's fancy technique right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's fancy. It's a secret. All right, I'm gonna drizzle this as well, just a little bit more. Give it a little seasoning. This is garlic and herbs from Kingsford. We're gonna try just a little bit of that, why not? All right. I'm not gonna salt it because I'm not sure my next ingredient, how much salt it's got. Now, y'all, this kicks it up a notch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. You're getting your protein in here. Now, it's good just like this, but why not put a little protein in? This is just some smoked sausage, and we're going to just drizzle that around here. Just put it out here. It's going to cook up with them tomatoes, and y'all, this is good. Now, I'm going to also put some garlic cloves. Why not? We'll get some garlic in here. You could also just, get the minced garlic or whatever, but I do like the fresh garlic. It really does give it extra flavor. Ugh, it just takes some strength getting it out of here. But it's all right. We're going to do it. Ugh, muscles.
Yeah.
It's a workout, man. I'm telling you, it's a workout. Get all this in here. Leaving the hull. I should have did this first. I should have not did it in front of everybody and Jesus.
Well, somebody might be curious.
It's all right. That's right.
Mince some garlic.
Mince some garlic. There we go. Y'all know.
See that thing and say, I don't think I want to do that.
Yeah, exactly. Don't let this deter you. Don't let, oh Lord, she's on the struggle bus today.
It makes it worth it, y'all.
It really does.
It gives it so much more flavor.
It really does. That fresh garlic it is a whole nother level of happiness on it. It really is. All right, so I think we'll be all right with that.
About how many cloves?
I did about 5 cloves.
Okay.
But some of it is still stuck in the bottom of that, if I'm being honest. So now, y'all, the next part, I know you will think, what in the world is she doing? But trust the process, it works. I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit of honey. I know it sounds weird. When my son gave me the recipe, I was like, honey, are you sure? He said, trust me, Mama. It's good. So we just did a little drizzle, nothing crazy.
And y'all listen, I give Dan a hard time.
He does.
But you can trust him on some food. That boy can cook, and he knows.
He really can.
He's got an excellent palate and taste for stuff.
He knows what's good. He does.
Right. So you can trust it. If he says it, you can take it to the bank.
You can. And all of my babies can cook. I have to say, it's not
That's
just
a very
Daniel.
True story. That is true. And
EJ, they know how to cook too.
Yep.
So I'm very proud of all of them.
You rubbed off.
I guess, I don't know. So y'all, this is what we've got. You see how fast that was to just throw that together? The worst part of that was opening up the cream cheese and mashing out the garlic. But this is ready to go in the oven. Now I'm going to put it at 400 degrees and I'm going to cook it for about 35 minutes. And I didn't have no basil, so I'm just going to tell y'all, I'm going to run across the road while this is baking and try to find me some fresh basil because I think that is going to be delicious. I don't want to miss that. So, in the oven she goes, y'all. I'll see y'all in about 30 minutes. And also, gotta have the pasta, right, for the pasta dish. When this is almost ready, I'll say about 10 minutes before this is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling this bow tie pasta. And probably won't show you that because you know how to boil pasta, but I do reserve a cup of the pasta water because we're going to add this in there, and y'all, it's going to be good. It's going to bring it together, make it creamy. So let's get it.
Uncovered?
Uncovered.
Gotcha.
All right, in she goes. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look up there. Now, while this is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and put my fresh basil over it. Look at that cream cheese, how she's looking. So good, y'all, so good. Now I'm just gonna cream this up in here. Go ahead and start mixing this. And I did taste my, the little juice in here, because y'all know what I say, honey. Don't be doing people wrong. Taste your food. Make sure it's good. And I've got my cup of pasta water out of here. So we're just going to give this one good mix here. Let it get good and happy, y'all. Good and happy. Those little tomatoes, they've just busted wide open, and that flavor is just oozing. Now, I've got my little pasta here. I did bow ties, y'all. Just went with some bow ties. You can do whatever kind of pasta you want to do. But we're doing bow ties today. They're salted. I'm going to go ahead and give them just a little pepper on there for good measure. Now, stir this all around. Our house smells so good.
You need smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision, yes. I did leave to go get me some basil. I didn't have any fresh basil, and had to go over to the food line and get some fresh basil. And when I come back in, I said, oh, good Lord, it smells good in here. So it's gonna be good, it's gonna be tasty. Got that fresh basil in there. Look at there. You ready for this, Russell?
Oh, I can't wait.
Y'all know. Oh, let me mix the cup of, I'm gonna mix the cup of pasta water in there. I almost forgot. This just makes it even better. The pasta water brings it all together.
Y'all, that looks creamy.
It's good.
Ooh-wee.
Look at there. Give it a good little mix. Let it sit just a second so we don't burn your esophagus, Russell. All right. All right, let that sit just a second. I'm gonna get your plate ready, and you can give it a little taste and tell us what you think of it. Y'all, I got this all plated up, ready for Russell, and I'm telling you, I've been sneaking little bites, and it is delicious. So come on, Russell, it's your turn. You're up. He's been smelling it.
Hey, y'all, trying to take my job.
I'm trying to take his job.
Yeah.
I'm tasting. It's good, y'all. It's really good.
I'm gonna tell you what, it looks like spectacular. Creamy.
It's good.
It smells good. You know, like I said, I give Dan, hey Dan, I give him a hard time, but he knows what's up when it comes to cooking. He's an excellent cook.
He is.
I tell him all the time he's missed his calling. So
Yeah, bless his
telling
heart.
y'all YouTube people, he's done the same thing. Maybe y'all can convince him.
He tells everybody that'll listen.
I do, yeah.
Yeah, so go ahead and dig in there, Russell.
I'm ready
Give
for
us a
Creamy.
good old what you think. Little bow ties, little sausage.
Yeah,
Y'all, this is
tomatoes.
so simple. Yeah, it is so simple to do. It really is. Be like a dog.
No, I don't dog shaking the leg. Rennie, you shake your leg.
Don't call her. She'll want some.
Oh yeah, she knows what's up.
She does.
Yeah, very different. It's got kind of a different.
It's good.
I haven't ever tasted anything like it. Definitely tastes the honey in it.
Yeah, it is. A little bit, just a little
bit of sweetness.
just a little. And
The tomatoes come through, and the cream cheese. It's like,
it is good.
I mean,
You can put cheese on this if you want to, but it really doesn't need to. It
No,
really doesn't.
I would say it would probably change the texture and the taste with cheese, to be honest. But I mean, it'd be worth giving it a try.
I think it would be just fine because everything is better with some cheese.
Well, I agree with that.
But I'm saying it's good without. You really don't need it. The creaminess of that cream cheese, y'all. It's really good. It is. And Daniel says that he sometimes will just drizzle a little bit after it cooks too. But I think it was fantastic. Now I've ate it before. I loved it. You've had it before too.
I don't remember having it.
Yeah.
But I can say.
Yeah.
It's a hit. Y'all give that one a try.
It is. And it's good the next day. It's good for lunch leftovers if you want to make yourself a big old pan of it. It's pretty frugal, I would say, with the tomatoes, and especially if you have tomatoes growing in your garden, you already got those.
That would make a lot of sense.
Yep, and your basil. But just any kind of sausage. I'm sure you can change the protein to whatever. I think he's done shrimp.
It would be good with shrimp.
Shrimp. Anyway, chicken. It can listen.
Yeah,
it don't even need
proteins in this.
It doesn't even need really.
It don't.
It doesn't.
It doesn't have to have a meat.
It doesn't. It doesn't have to have a meat. It's good either way.
Very good.
So and pasta's fairly cheap. So this is a good. Feed all your children, feed the whole family on a budget. Really good, it really is.
Yeah,
it is. But
delicious.
It is delicious.
Y'all, I'm telling you, y'all try that one.
It's good.
Simple too. I mean, it wasn't very hard. It was,
You can throw you some good little crusty bread on the side, or a little salad, or whatever.
That's
whatever.
A good meal right there, y'all.
It is. It really is good, y'all.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Yeah. If you try it, y'all know. Hey, let us know.
Yep.
Let us know. We'll let Daniel know.
Yeah. Well, he reads. He might act like he don't. He reads.
He does. Y'all let him know if you like it. Like I said, there was a similar recipe going around on the TikTok, but I mean, he tweaked this a little different, and I've not seen anybody do it this way. No. So it had feta cheese and
very different.
It's good.
I love it.
And that sausage goes really good. That smoked
so well together, and the tomatoes when they pop open. Oh goodness!
So much
just
flavor.
Got all kind of great flavor in it.
Yep. It is. That richness of the Olive Garden, of the olive oil and the tomatoes and all that goodness, those delicious seasoning and spices, works great.
Yeah, I love it.
It's good.
Very good.
So y'all, we about to go eat.
Yeah, we about to throw down.
We about to go eat.
Like she done been tasting,
I had a little taste, but I'm ready. Yeah. I'm ready for my big girl portion. We about to treat ourselves.
Yeah, treat yourself, y'all. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for putting up with us.
Our shenanigans.
Our shenanigans, yes.
Yep. We appreciate it.
Yes, we've got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you so much for that.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome. Big old
Pay
hugs.
no attention to the nonsense.
Big old hugs to y'all. Yeah. We do appreciate it. But anyway, y'all, until next time.
Peace.